Hello, in front of me I've got WG Airflex 5. In this video I'll show you how to perform factory reset of your earbuds. In the beginning, open the charging case and take one of the earbuds out of the charging case. Now quickly tap it 4 times. Put it back in the charging case. Now take out the second one and again quickly tap it 4 times. Put it back, close the lid, wait for around 3 seconds. And when the LED light stops blinking, factory reset has been performed. Now your earbuds will automatically enter pairing mode. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.